How to fix the TikTok shop not showing. So let's start. So firstly you have to go in the TikTok. Now from here click on the profile icon and click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner. And you have to go in the settings and the privacy. So once you are in, you have to go back and you have to go into your app store or the play store that you are using and search for the TikTok. Now you have to click on it and make sure that you are using the latest version of it. After that, go back and go in the settings. From here scroll down and go in the general. Now go in the iPhone storage. If you are in the Android, you have to go in the app management settings. From here simply go in the TikTok and here is the option to offload the app, and in the Android you have to clear the cache. And after that, if it's still not fixed, what you have to do is go back to the TikTok and from here scroll down and go in the report a problem. Now again scroll down and go in the chat with us. Now here you have to send the message, and here in the message you have to write that your TikTok show feature is not showing and you want to fix it, and you have to make sure that you add your username and your Gmail password. And here you have to give the problem to the TikTok feature, and after that the TikTok respond you and you are able to get the fix your TikTok shop is not showing. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.